Hi guys, for today's video, meron tayong pork chop dito guys. Nilagyan ko lang to guys ng salt and pepper. So, ang gagawin ko dyan guys ay pork steak. Now guys, mag-add tayo dito ng butter. So, ngayon guys, ilagay na natin yung ating pork chop. Instead na beef, wala tayong beef, kaya yan lang. Para iba naman, hindi palaging prito ng pork chop. Try ko lang to guys, first time ko to gumawa ng ganito. Steak pork chop. Diba? Lagay na natin guys yung garlic. Ayan na guys ang finished product ng ating pork chop steak. So ayan lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.